In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can calculate the equation of a parallel line. Now with this example, I've been given the equation of a line, and I need to find the equation of the parallel line that passes through a given point. Now in a previous video that I'll link here, we learned that the equation of a straight line comes in the form of y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept, and x and y are coordinates that form the line. Although I've been given a rearrangement of this, I can see that the gradient of the line that I've been given is 8. Parallel lines have exactly the same gradient, same slope. So this means that the value of the gradient for the parallel line is also 8. For parallel lines, they share the same gradient but will have different y-intercept values. So looking at what else I've been given in the question, I also know that for a coordinate, x is -3 and y is -26. So x is -3 and y is -26. Substituting these values in, I know that -26 is equal to 8 times -3, and then I add on c. Having substituted in the values, I can see that the only thing that I've got left is c. So, evaluating where I can, and rearranging by adding 24 to both sides, I now get -2 is equal to c, or c is equal to -2. This means that the equation of my parallel line is y is equal to 8, because it has to have the same gradient, x, and then -2. This is the equation of the parallel line. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at the equation, I can see that the gradient is -9, the value in front of x. So m is equal to -9. Looking at my coordinate, I can see that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to -48. So substituting into y is equal to mx plus c, I know that y is -48 is equal to -9 times 6 plus c. -9 times 6 is -54. Rearranging by adding 54 to both sides gives me 6 is equal to c, or c is equal to 6. I now know that the equation of my parallel line is parallel to y is equal to -9x minus 6, and has to go through the point 6 -48 is y is equal to -9x plus 6. This is the equation of the parallel line.